Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Deepankar Pagade. In today's project we are going to study about simulating Internet of Surveillance using Cisco Packet Tracer. Group members are Deepankar Pagade, Sachin Koli, Praveen Allat and Tejas Shalke. We have completed our project under the guidance of Professor Kokate ma'am. The aim of the project is to design Internet of Surveillance using Cisco Packet Tracer. Now let's go to Cisco Packet Tracer. Now let us build webcam using motion detector, that is Internet of Surveillance on Cisco Packet Tracer software. This is a Cisco Packet Tracer window. First of all, we will see what is Packet Tracer. Cisco Packet Tracer software is a cross-platform visual simulation tool designed by Cisco Systems that allows users to create network topologies and imitate modern computer network. The software allows the user to simulate the configuration of Cisco router and switches using a simulated command line interface. Cisco Packet Tracer allows an effective and interactive environment for learning networking concepts and protocols. Most importantly, Packet Tracer helps students and instructors to create their own virtual network world for exploring, experimentation and explanation of network concepts and technologies. Now let us see the actual simulation of Internet surveillance. First device is home gateway. This device is controlled by IoT devices. Drag the home gateway device in a workspace. Now we need a webcam and a motion detector. For webcam, go to End Devices, then select the home option, and in that you will find a webcam. Drag the webcam into the workspace. Then double click on webcam. Then go to the configuration and in that change the display name to as webcam 1. For motion detector, again we have to go to End Device, Home, and there you will find home detector. Drag it to the workspace. Then double click on the motion detector, go to configure. In configure, change the display name to motion detector 1. So as you see here, the names have been given to the motion detector and webcam. Now to connect the device to home gateway, we need wireless connection. For that, double click on webcam and go to configure. And in configure, go to the wireless 0, check whether the SSID name is home gateway. If not, then we have to type home gateway so that the wireless communication is made. So as you see here, wireless communication line is been made. We have to do same with the motion detector. Go to configure, then in wireless 0 and set SSDI name to home gateway as it is already there. Now we can see that both devices are connected to home gateway wirelessly. Now we need a smartphone. The first step is to connect the smartphone to home gateway. Go to any device, in that select smartphone and drag it to the workspace, and then double click on the smartphone, select the configure tab in that wireless and change the SSDI name by copying the SSDI of home gateway, that is home gateway. Now as you see here, the wireless communication is made with home gateway and smartphone. Now the second step is to access home gateway. Again click on smartphone and go to desktop tab, select the IoT monitor option as you see here, IP address, username and password is already entered. Now we have to simply click on login button. On, and below the match option we have to select motion detector on and then true, and then webcam 1 on to true, and we have to click on OK button. Now we have to add one more conditions for off statement, so we will name this condition as webcam 1 off, and below the match option motion detector on false, then webcam 1 on and off. Okay, then we have to go back to the home of IoT monitor. So now the both conditions are being applied. Now when the motion detector detects the motion, then webcam will automatically turn on as you see here, and after the motion is gone the webcam will be turned off. Now we have to add two more webcam and motion detector by following the same simple steps. Now we have to do same with other two webcam. So we will add two more webcam to the workspace and two more motion detector, and name them as webcam 2 and 3 and motion detector 2 and 3. Motion detector and select the IoT server as home gateway server. Same for the webcam 3. IoT server as home gateway and motion detector as motion detector 3 and IoT server as home gateway. So now we will go back to the IoT monitor. So as you see here, you can see webcam 2, motion detector 2, webcam 3 and motion detector 3. So now we have to add same conditions to webcam 2 and 3. We will name second conditions as webcam 2 on. Then motion detector 2 on and true, then webcam 2 will be on and true. We have to add one more condition for webcam 2 as off. So when motion detector 2 on is false, then webcam 2 is on to false. And we have to click on OK. We have added conditions for webcam 2. Now we have to add conditions for webcam 3. And first condition as webcam 3 on. Then when motion detector 3 is on and is true, then webcam 3 is on to true. We have to add one more condition, that is last condition, as webcam 3 off. In that motion detector is on is false, then webcam on to false. Now we have added all the 6 conditions for webcams, here 2 conditions for each webcam. Now we have to go to the home of IoT monitor. So now we will check for webcam 2. So as you see here, when the motion detector 2 detects the motion, then the webcam 2 will turn on. Simply when the motion detector 3 turns on, then the webcam 3 will also be turned on, and when the motion detector is turned off, then webcam 3 will also be turned off. This is a project of our CMD subject. We have now simulated the Internet of Surveillance using Cisco Packet Tracer. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.